So, hello friends, when was this church built? So this church, what you are seeing, it started to be built on 1594, which day? November 24. And it got finished only in the year 1605. Who were the architects? There were many Jesuit brothers, especially one Jesuit brother, Domingos Fernandez, as well as the chief architect of Goa during that time, Julio Simão, who also had a part in the design of the cathedral. So they are considered as the architects. And who is its founder? The cathedral has not a unique one founder or something, but it owes its foundation to the collective efforts of all the Jesuit fathers at Goa during that time.